Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, your ultimate hub for cutting-edge innovations, revolutionary technologies, and sustainable solutions shaping our future. Today, we're diving into a transformative topic that's reshaping agriculture and delivering fresher, healthier food to your table. Welcome to the world of eco-friendly greenhouse farming, a game changer for fresh veggies. The growing demand for fresh and sustainable produce. In a world where food security and sustainability are top priorities, greenhouse farming emerges as a beacon of hope. With urban populations skyrocketing and arable land shrinking, the need for innovative farming methods is more urgent than ever. Greenhouse farming offers a controlled environment to grow vegetables, minimizing land use while maximizing yield. But what makes it truly revolutionary is its potential to combat climate change and reduce the environmental footprint of traditional agriculture. What is eco-friendly greenhouse farming? Eco-friendly greenhouse farming integrates sustainable practices into traditional greenhouse techniques. This approach includes using renewable energy, efficient water management systems, organic pest control, and recyclable materials to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. The result? A farming system that produces abundant, high-quality vegetables with minimal harm to the environment. Key features of eco-friendly greenhouses. 1. Renewable energy sources. Solar panels and wind turbines power the operations. 2. Water conservation. Advanced drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting systems ensure efficient water usage. 3. Temperature control. Automated systems regulate temperature and humidity for optimal plant growth. 4. Waste reduction. Composting and recycling reduce waste and improve soil health. 5. Organic practices. Avoiding synthetic pesticides and fertilizers protects both the ecosystem and human health. How does greenhouse farming work? Greenhouses create a controlled microclimate that shields plants from external environmental challenges. Here's how. 1. Light optimization. Transparent panels allow natural sunlight while regulating UV exposure. 2. Temperature regulation. Insulation and heating systems maintain a consistent temperature. 3. Humidity control. Ventilation and misting systems balance humidity levels to prevent fungal growth. 4. Nutrient management. Hydroponic and aquaponic systems deliver nutrients directly to plant roots, ensuring faster growth. The benefits of eco-friendly greenhouse farming. 1. Higher yields. Greenhouses allow year-round cultivation, unaffected by seasonal changes. This ensures a consistent supply of fresh vegetables. 2. Reduced water usage. Using closed-loop irrigation systems can reduce water usage by up to 90% compared to traditional farming. 3. Minimized pesticide use. Controlled environments significantly lower the risk of pests, reducing the need for harmful chemicals. 4. Lower carbon footprint. Local greenhouse farms reduce the transportation emissions associated with importing produce from distant regions. 5. Customizable environments. Different vegetables require specific conditions, and greenhouses can tailor these environments for optimal growth. Innovations driving greenhouse farming. Tech advancements have propelled greenhouse farming into the future. Let's explore some groundbreaking technologies. 1. IoT and smart sensors. These devices monitor soil moisture, temperature, and light levels, allowing precise adjustments in real time. 2. AI and machine learning. AI algorithms analyze plant growth data to predict and prevent issues, enhancing productivity. 3. Renewable energy integration. Solar panels and geothermal energy systems power greenhouses sustainably. 4. Automated farming equipment. Robotic arms and drones handle tasks like planting, watering, and harvesting with precision. 5. Vertical greenhouses. Maximizing space in urban areas, vertical farming uses stacked layers to grow more crops in less area. Eco-friendly greenhouses around the world. 1. The Netherlands, a global leader in greenhouse farming. The Netherlands uses advanced technology to grow vegetables efficiently, even exporting produce worldwide. 2. Japan. With limited land, Japan has embraced vertical greenhouse farming, using LED lighting and hydroponics to grow vegetables in urban spaces. The United States. California and Arizona lead in greenhouse innovations, focusing on water conservation and solar energy integration. Chapter 7. How you can start your own greenhouse. Starting a greenhouse doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Plan your crops. Decide which vegetables you want to grow based on market demand and climate. 2. Choose the right location. Ensure your site gets ample sunlight and is protected from extreme weather. 3. Set up infrastructure. Invest in quality materials for the greenhouse structure, irrigation, and temperature control systems. 4. Adopt sustainable practices. Use renewable energy, organic fertilizers, and efficient water systems. 5. Monitor and adjust. Use smart technology to monitor growth conditions and make adjustments as needed. Challenges and solutions. 1. High initial costs. While the setup cost can be significant, long-term savings in water, energy, and fertilizers make it worthwhile. 2. Technical expertise. Training in using modern technologies is essential but accessible through online courses and workshops. 3. Maintenance. Regular checks and updates to systems ensure the greenhouse operates efficiently. The future of greenhouse farming. The future of agriculture lies in sustainable practices, and eco-friendly greenhouses are leading the way. With advancements in renewable energy, and biotechnologies, the potential for these systems to feed the world's growing population sustainably is immense. Conclusion: a healthier planet, one greenhouse at a time. Greenhouse farming isn't just a method. It's a movement toward a greener, healthier planet. By embracing eco-friendly practices, we can enjoy fresh, nutritious vegetables while preserving the environment for future generations. Thank you for joining us today on Tech Dream Gear. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's innovate and dream big together. Until next time, stay curious and stay green.